kasi na-intriga ako talaga sa Mamba mentality niya. So, paano ba natin siya ma-apply sa buhay natin? Para each time na makikita mo yung mga outside positive day delivers, this is not shall be added unto you. Ang ibig sabihin mga pain. So, second is to be wise para maging righteous. Start your journey on how to become rich. Thank you very much. Let's go. Positive Day Delivers, this is Dr. Gigi Sunga from Micromanage Project. Magandang hapon sa lahat ng mga delivers natin. And sa first time po tayo mapanood sa YouTube channel, thank you very much. Please subscribe, click mo na po yan, Doc Gigi Sunga. And sa lahat ng gusto magpa-quote sa atin, online or personal, and if you want to advertise, start or improve your business, message ka lang 0939-525-4311 or sa aking FB page, Dr. Gigi Sunga. Alright, so alam ko lahat tayo nalulungkot sa nangyari kay Kobe. So, hindi man ako super avid fan, pero parang iba yung feeling ng ganun nangyari, di ba? So sabi ko nga doon sa first vlog ko na the 6 quotations from Kobe, tinana lang natin yung mga naiwan niya magagandang bagay. Like this one, the Mamba mentality. Di ba lagi natin naririnig the Mamba mentality, Black Mamba, pero para saan ba talaga yan? So, I did my research kanina lang kasi na-intriga ako talaga sa Mamba mentality niya. So, paano ba natin siya ma-apply sa buhay natin? So, ano ba talaga yung Mamba mentality and how we can apply it in our life and in business? Okay? So, kanina, I found an article sa, nag-search tayo sa Google. So, it's the Mamba mentality. Of course, original yan kay Kobe. Okay? So, according to the article, there are 5 key emotions that involve in Mamba mentality. So, honesty, detachment, optimism, passion, and fearlessness. Okay? And in one sentence, ito ibig sabihin ng Mamba mentality. It's a mindset of constant self-improvement in the pursuit of your highest potential in life. Right? So, it's constant self-improvement. Okay? Then, meron akong narinig na isang interview niya na dito tayo siguro mag-dwell. Okay naman to, kaya lang parang mas gusto ko to para ma-apply natin sa personal nating buhay and at the same time sa ating business. Okay? So, sabi niya, in one interview, I think sa TV Patrol ko siya napanood, na meron siya interview when he visited here and coach ilan yun hindi naman gano'ng kadami pero pili yun na tinuruan niya, kinoach niya sa basketball. Okay? So, the interview, sabi niya, it's Mamba mentality is giving attention to details and your level of commitment. And ulitin natin it's giving attention to details and the level of your commitment. And he added, it's applied to the same. It's the same across the board. It's the same across in any aspect of our life. And the last sentence na doon sa interview niya is, don't look at what I did, look at how I did things. Right? So, yun yung Black Mamba mentality. So, let's focus on, let's listen to, pay attention to details and the level of commitment. So, paano natin ma-apply sa ating buhay at sa ating business? So, first is the pay attention to the details. Sa buhay natin. Sa buhay natin, let's pay attention to the details of our life. Pay attention to the details of the time that we have for a day. Let us pay attention dun sa 24 hours. What are we doing to that 24 hours? It's the details that count. Anong gagawin mo ng 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9, 10, 11? After work, if you are working, what are you going to do after office? 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10, 11, 12. What will you do? What are the details of that? How are you going to do your project? How are you going to improve yourself? It's constant self-improvement in the pursuit of your highest potential in life. So, ano dapat mong i-improve dyan sa bawat oras na yan? How are you going to improve yourself? Try to see the details. Magbabasa ka ba dyan? May pag-usap ka ba? What are the details of your 24 hours? to improve yourself, to make yourself develop more self-esteem, be more confident, to be more courteous, to be more industrious. Anong gagawin mong details? You focus on the details of your life. Marami kasi sa atin, nasa kabuuan na, basta gagraduate ako, basta pupunta ako sa mall. Pagpunta na nga lang sa mall, di pa natin alam details eh. Di ba? Basta I will wake up at 7 a.m. this Saturday, this weekend. And what are the details? Try to see, focus, pay attention on the details of your life. Sinong kakausapin mo? How much are you going to spend? How much money is devoted for this? What are you going to buy? These are details in life. Sinong isasama mo? Saan ka dadaan? Saan ang ruta mo? These are details. Mahirap siyang gawin. Di ba? Sabi nga, minsan perfect na sana yung scenario, kaya lang going to that excellence is 5%. And that's the hardest part. The 5% leading to excellence. Because that's the details. Okay? Alright, so second, in our business, paano natin ma-apply yung details sa business natin? Minsan kaya hindi nag-improve yung business natin, we don't know all the details eh. You own your business, you own your company, but you don't know the details. Sabi nga ni Grant Cardone, you micromanage your business. Dapat alam mo detalye, every expenses. Saan napunta yung 100,000 na negosyo mo? Saan napunta yung 50,000? Magkano yung tinubo mo in one day? Magkano yung tinubo mo in 1 week, in 1 month, in 1 year? Magkano yung naging tubo mo dyan sa initial transaction? What are your profits? Magkano yung kinita mo dyan? Dapat you know the details. What are the marketing arm na ginagamit mo? Ilan ang naging profit dyan sa marketing strategy na ginamit mo? Do you know the operations of your business? Alam mo ba saan nanggaling yung raw materials, yung ingredients ng yung restaurant? Alam ba saan binili yan? Alam mo ba kung anong oras nagko-close, nag-o-open ang yung business? Do you know the details? Micromanage your details. And you should know how to improve it. Because that's Mamba mentality. It's how to improve it. How to attain the maximum potential of your business. If I'll be asking you right now, na-attain mo na ba yung maximum potential ng yung business? If not yet, baka hindi mo titignan ang mga details. Okay? Second, the level of commitment sa buhay natin. How committed are you to change your life? How committed are you to improve your life? How committed are you to gain new skills? How committed are you to improve your existing skills? That's Mamba mentality. Your level of commitment. In your business, how committed are you in your business? That's Mamba mentality. How much hours are you going to spend for the improvement of your business? How much are you willing to sacrifice just for your own business? That's Mamba mentality. How much risk are you going to take or are you willing to take para mag-improve yung business mo? How much are you going to sacrifice? How much money are you willing to give? That's commitment. Are you committed? Are you committed to your business? O may problem lang na konti, wala na, stop na operation, doc. Mahirap ang daan. Stop na operation, doc, kasi ang hirap nung isang kliyente. You're not committed. Doc, medyo nakakapuyat pala yung negosyo na to. I'll stop it. Ang dami inquiry. Ang dami kong dapat sagutin. That's not commitment. That's not Mamba mentality. Minsan nga, I understand that eh. Yung pagtatanong pa lang. Sa akin, ang dami nagtatanong. Like, every hour, I'm answering questions sa aking FB page. Minsan nagugulat sila eh. They don't believe na si Doc ba yung sumagot? Doc, ikaw ba yan? Minsan they will ask me, ikaw ba Doc no? Yes, because I'm committed to my craft. I'm committed to my passion to deliver services. Kahit simpleng tanong, I'm asking, minsan nga pag nag-miss call, ako pa mag-miss call eh. Pag di ko na tanong, nasagot, I'll call back. That's commitment to the people. That's my commitment to my YouTube subscribers. Okay? So, how committed are you? How committed are you to your business? Alright? That's Mamba mentality. So, starting today, Doc, namimiss ko si Kobe. Kung mamimiss ko si Kobe, apply mo na lang ang Mamba mentality. Para everyday naiisip mo siya, Kobe, salamat because you have Mamba mentality. That is, I will pay attention to the details of my life. To the details, I will pay attention to the details of my business. And I will increase the level of commitment for myself to be more more improved, to be more successful. And I will increase the level of my commitment to my business to make it more profitable. That's Mamba mentality. That's remembering Kobe. Okay? Alright, so please share this video sa lahat ng kaibigan natin, kahit OFW o dito sa Pilipinas, para sama-sama tayong mabago at umunlad ating buhay. Thank you very much, Universe. Enjoy the rest of the day. Let's go, let's go.